Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, no, I did not cut my hair. This is just like a bob hairstyle type of thing. I saw this girl on TikTok who did it and I thought that I would give it a go, and honestly I'm actually really feeling it. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial on how to do it. And TBH, I actually wanted to cut my hair, so my hair is up here now and I kind of want to cut it up here, but I'm really scared to do that. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this sort of transformation. Anyway, today's video is actually a really exciting one. I've been meant to film this video for ages, no joking. So as you guys know, if you're familiar with my channel, I uploaded a video 2 years ago where I DIY some shell necklace, and you guys all seem to love that video. It's still up today, one of my most popular videos. It's actually the most popular video that I've ever uploaded on this channel. So I thought that I would bring you guys a little part 2. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make 4th necklace slash chokers ideas, and 2 of them do have shells. So really hope you guys enjoy this little part 2, and let's get into it. Guys, oh my god, I broke it. Great, fuck off. So that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what do you think, and also which necklace was your favorite. And other than that, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, also, my background is still pretty blank except for this fake plant type of thing, but I'm working on that, so don't you worry.